Hello everyone. Now today we are going to learn how to clear search history on eBay app. So let's begin with the tutorial. Firstly, open your eBay app and make sure you're logged in. Make sure your internet is connected. Then there you can see the option of search. At the bottom there is magnifying glass icon. Tap on it, that's a search bar icon. There you can see your search history. At the very bottom, you can see the option. Scroll a little down, there you can see the option of clear cache. Tap on it, then your search history will be deleted forever. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such content.